My teeth hurt. My teeth hurt. Like my teeth are tingling, my lips are burning.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? For First We Feast, I'm Sean Evans, coming at you from the Hot Ones set for a very special event. I'm going to be taking on the Paqui One Chip Challenge, and I'm going to be doing it with a very special guest. But before we introduce him, the Paqui One Chip Challenge, you've probably heard about it. It sweeps the internet every year, and in fact, 4 years ago, I did this challenge alongside my friends Emily Oberg and Nadeska, and it was, without exaggeration, one of the spiciest, craziest experiences I've ever had.
This is a hot chip. This is a very hot chip.
You look at it and you think, oh, it's just a chip, but it fools you. It's made with the Carolina Reaper, and as Hot Ones fans know, the Carolina Reaper is not to be messed with. But enough chit chat, it is time to introduce our guest. He is one of my favorite Hot Ones guests of all time. It is Lil Yachty. Yachty, welcome back to the Hot Ones experience. I was so happy when I found out it was you because I had such a good time at our shoot. But I was also quite surprised because you'd had hot sauce for the first time at Hot Ones.
Oh.
How has your relationship with hot sauce changed since that first Hot Ones shoot?
I haven't had it since then.
Wow, so this will be your second time experiencing this sort of inferno spice.
Yeah, I want to tell you, like, I had a long sit before I agreed to do it.
Your Hot Ones episode, it's a lot of our fans' favorite episode. It was such a unique experience seeing you eat hot sauce for the first time. What was your experience of doing Hot Ones?
You know, I took that hot sauce home and like it became a thing where you couldn't come in my house unless you tried the hot sauce. Because people always thought I was like faking it. Oh my God! Oh my God!
Let's let the adventure begin and unbox this thing. Pop this thing open, see what's going on inside the box. All right, first up, pulling out a hat.
There you go. You look like Justin Timberlake.
I'll take that. I'll take that any day of the week. All right, here we have a towel. Very practical to put a towel in for the sweat.
We're gonna need it. I know I might need it.
And then we also have some more bags of stuff here. We have zesty salsa verde chips, haunted ghost pepper chips, and then finally we have some fiery chili limon chips. Do any of those look good to you, Yachty?
The zesty salsa verde chips that are the least hot seem the best for me.
I think that's good for you too. We also have, it's like kind of like a chain. I guess if you're able to eat the Paqui chip and last, then I guess you get kind of a gold medal here.
Yeah, I think it's well deserved.
And then finally, the coffin box.
Yo, bro, what?
Here we go. We have the Paqui chip right here. It's about to go down. I'm starting to feel a little bit nervous already.
Oh my God. This is so crazy.
The Paqui One Chip Challenge champion. And then you got some rules. So if you can go 5 minutes without throwing in the towel, eating or drinking anything, that's featherweight. If you go an hour plus, that's heavyweight. I am thinking I'm going to be in the featherweight.
What?
I'm told that you need gloves to handle this thing.
Let's do it.
All right, Yachty, are you ready to dig in and take on the Paqui One Chip Challenge?
No. Yo, the box is literally saying there's no turning back.
Right, I don't often eat foods that come in a coffin, but there's no turning back now. Ripping this thing open. This actually looks quite different from the one that I had before.
The chip is black? What the fuck?
It has a Szechuan peppercorn sort of numbing thing, the Carolina Reaper thing that I'm picking up on. I mean, look at this chip.
Bro, this chip is so scary looking.
I already know where this is going.
This is such a bad idea. It smells so scary.
I know, and you know, I know that you're not exactly an adventurous eater. You know, I know that you stay in your lane.
My stomach has dropped.
Yeah, I feel the exact
I feel like I'm at the
same way.
top of a roller coaster ride.
I know, but we're in too deep. We are in too deep at this point.
I feel like I'm about to perform at the Grammys or something. I'm so nervous.
Me too.
I feel like I'm probably gonna have to cancel my entire day after this.
Yeah, you're gonna be out for a few hours, if I remember this chip. All right, here we are. There's no more avoiding the inevitable. I have this little 3-minute hourglass. I've got a bet with camera guy Bill, who says that I can't let this thing run out without taking some milk or taking some water.
Yeah, I'm not on that.
All right, it's the time, it's the place, and it's now. Fire in the hole, down the hatch. Oh my God. Different than the last one. Getting that build. Yachty, how are you feeling?
Oh my God, it's so hot. Oh my, I feel like my lungs is on fire.
I wish this was moving faster.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
I think it's crazier than the show.
But it is crazy! Oh my God! Oh my God, it's the hottest shit in the world!
Come on, come on.
I felt like I was boiling water. Oh my God, it's so hot.
My stomach, it feels like a cement mixer. With just hot lava in it.
It's burning so bad. Oh.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how you doing? He's never been better. He's never been better.
Oh, my earphones. Oh, shit. Oh.
And we're through. Well, there you have it. Another exciting, spicy food adventure with Lil Yachty. Yachty, before we get into an ice bath, how are you feeling?
I can't.
Thank you, Lil Yachty, for joining us. It is always a pleasure to see you, my friend. But my guess is it'll be a while before you do something like this again.
Shit.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you at all. And for the people at home, if you want to do the Paqui One Chip Challenge, make sure to use the hashtag One Chip Challenge on social to catch up on the spicy action. And then, of course, if you want to get it for yourself, you can pick up the One Chip Challenge at Paqui.com or at participating retailers.
I swear to God, I didn't even know that you could feel like this in life.
We'll catch you next time. I need to get out of here.
Is that frozen or?
Nope. I'm just thinking about life.